Hey guys, what is up? It's your own pal Joshua Cooley back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my soccer shoes here that I just used on Monday. 2 days ago? What's the day? Today's Wednesday? Oh, today's Wednesday. I used this 2 days ago for my soccer practice. And it was fun, but it's time to wash them. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to use this paper towel right here. Alright guys, now I'm gonna fold it and then give it a little water. Like that. Okay, that's enough water. So anyway, let's start cleaning my shoe. Alright guys, I'm gonna blow the camera down so you can guys see me cleaning my shoe. Hang on guys. Guys, and then if I have time, I might be able to play Fortnite Part 8. I don't know if I have time, but depend how I make this video. This one cost $75. I just got it from Dick's Sporting Good in Stockton. I got this last Wednesday. Comment down below, guys, if you like my soccer shoes cleat. These are called shoe cleats. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean the other shoes. This one's shiny. Comment down below if you guys like my soccer shoes. Ow, my foot. Hang on guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry guys, I was in the middle of something. Someone texted me. It was my mom, she texted me. I need one more towel, so I'm gonna throw this away. Not too much. Oh, look at that. It looks kind of shiny. Alright guys, I think I'm going to be done, but let's reach until 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And I think I might have time to play Fortnite Part 8. I think I might have time. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna throw this. Actually, I'm gonna reach it to 8 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. I would say alright, I'm done guys. I'll show you my shoes. See this? Looks kind of shiny, but I did an awful job. The other one looks kind of good. So now guys, I'm gonna put this back in outside garage and then hang them. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. All right. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, I already put my shoes in the garage. It's hanging there already. I already put them up. Anyways, rate, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my friend's channel, Kylie the Gamer, Kaylin Vlogs, Kaylin Games. Please give them a lot of support and views, and yeah, give them a lot of comments, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my other friend Sally's channel. YouTube channel is Lee Fighter Boy. Alright, give him a lot of support, subscriber, and comments. And yeah, so I think, you know what guys, good news, I might have time to play Fortnite Part 8. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in playing Fortnite Part 8, alright? I'll see you. Alright, bye.